Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable maintenance mode in your Android phone. So at first, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down and then go to device care. After that, scroll down again and here at the bottom, you can see maintenance mode. Then just tap here, then tap on turn on, then tap on restart. Now the phone will take restart to enable maintenance mode. Normally it will take around 2 minutes. So just give it a moment. And you can see the phone is switching to maintenance mode. So just give it a moment. Now you can see maintenance mode has been enabled successfully in my phone. Also if you want to disable it, just swipe down. Then tap on tap here to exit. Then tap on exit. Then tap on restart. Then draw your current pin or pattern. Now the phone will take restart again to disable maintenance mode. And the restart is complete. Now maintenance mode has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable maintenance mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.